Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making stuffed chicken breast with broccoli and cheese. For our ingredients, we have cream cheese, shredded cheese, we have our chicken breast, and we have our broccoli. Here I am showing you that I cut my chicken breast in half and then I cut a slit in the middle. And here you can see that I'm cutting down as far as I can without going too far. And this is how I cut my chicken breasts to make stuffed chicken breasts. I just cut mine in half. Here we're going to add some oil to our chicken breast. We're just going to rub it all over and get them well oiled up. So here I'm adding some garlic powder, some Creole seasoning, we're adding some paprika, and now we're adding some salt-free seasoning. We're just going to rub that seasoning into our chicken. Okay, so now we're going to season our cream cheese with some Creole seasoning, some garlic powder, and some of that salt-free seasoning. And we're just going to mix that in really well. Here I'm going to add the shredded cheese. And we're going to mix that all up. You want to incorporate it really well. And now we're going to add the broccoli. You want to make sure that they are cut up into little pieces. And we're just going to mix that well. And here we're going to start stuffing our chicken breast. You can see that it is well seasoned. You want to make sure that your chicken breast is really seasoned. And here I'm just stuffing the cream cheese mixture into the chicken breast. You want to make sure that it is stuffed all the way to the back. I got my pockets really deep into the chicken breast. So here I'm just making sure that it's going all the way to the back of the pocket. Now here we're going to add some toothpicks to make sure that the chicken stays closed. Here I'm adding some butter to my pan. We're going to add our chicken. We're going to add our stuffed chicken to the pan. So now we're flipping over our chicken. You want to make sure that you get a nice brown crust on the outside of your chicken. And I'm just flipping it over. And I'm adding some more butter to the pan. I'm going to make sure that I get a nice, pretty brown crust on the other side. And then I'm going to add it to the oven. Here's our chicken breast out of the oven. We have made stuffed chicken breasts with broccoli and cheese. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe.